they were also nice enough to send me these masks. They are called Derma Face Lifting Masks. This it helps hydrate, firm, and smooth the skin. It comes in with 5 in this pack, and these are disposable. They have hydrogel, glycerol, seaweed extract, anthocyanin, and vitamin E. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that wrong, so please correct me down below. So let's just put one of these bad boys on, and these are to help lift this. Well, you'll see what they do. A lot of people I know, and myself included, struggle with this area, you know, and we want to be able to lift that up. So that's what these are for. Let's see the instructions. This clean skin, yes. Remove the face mask from the packaging and apply it directly to the lower part of your face. Be extra delicate during the step. Then pull the mask up and attach loops behind the ears. Adjust the mask so it's comfortable. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Apply it every other day for best results. So there you have it. Here we go. So there we go. Something about pulling that, it's just like so satisfying. I don't know what that's about, but so you hold it like this once it's peeled off, and you place it, and then scoop it into the ear, loop it into the ear. There we go. And that's when it's nice and fitted and comfortable. That's how you know that you applied it correctly, because at first I was applying it upside down. So I will leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and I'll come back and check with you. Okay, so we're back, and let's just remove it. It feels pretty dry because all of the product got absorbed, and it feels nice and hydrated. Super nice and hydrated. So that's that. I really, really like it.